Are you tired of chasing the next big stock and constantly worrying about market swings? Imagine a stress-free way to grow your wealth steadily over time. In today's video, I'm revealing the best ETFs that can help you build long-term wealth while you sleep. Stick around, this could be the smartest financial decision you'll make. Welcome back to SmartCoin Chronicles, where we make smart investing simple. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on strategies to grow your wealth. Today, we're diving into the world of ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These are some of the easiest and smartest tools for building long-term wealth. Whether you're new to investing or looking to optimize your portfolio, I've got you covered with the best ETF picks. Section 1. What are ETFs and why are they powerful? ETFs are like a basket of stocks or bonds that you can buy and sell just like a regular stock. They give you instant diversification, meaning your money is spread across multiple assets instead of being tied to just one. This helps lower your risk and smooth out the ride during market ups and downs. Think of ETFs like a sampler platter at a restaurant. You get a little bit of everything without committing to just one dish. Why they're ideal for long-term wealth. Low cost. Most ETFs have super low fees compared to mutual funds, which means more money stays in your pocket. Diversification. By owning a single ETF, you can gain exposure to hundreds or even thousands of stocks or bonds. Easy to manage. You don't need to constantly monitor individual stocks. ETFs are like your financial autopilot. Section 2. The best ETFs for building long-term wealth. Alright. Now let's talk about my top ETF recommendations. These are chosen for their potential to help you grow wealth over the long haul while keeping things simple and low cost. ETF 1. S&P 500 Index ETF, for example. VU or SPY. Why it's great. This ETF tracks the S&P 500, which includes the 500 largest companies in the US, like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. Historically, the S&P 500 has delivered solid returns over time. Risk profile. It's great for long-term growth, but does experience short-term volatility. ETF 2. Total Stock Market ETF, for example, VTI. Why it's great. This ETF gives you exposure to the entire US stock market, from small startups to large corporations. Risk profile. Slightly more diversified than the S&P 500, making it a good choice for beginners. Pro tip. It's like owning the US economy in a single fund. ETF 3. International Stock ETF, for example, VXUS. Why it's great. This ETF provides exposure to companies outside the US, giving you a global portfolio. Think Toyota in Japan or Nestle in Switzerland. Risk profile. It's more volatile, but adds diversification to reduce reliance on the US economy. ETF 4. Bond ETF, for example, BND. Why it's great. Bonds are your safety net. This ETF offers stability and income, especially important during market downturns. Risk profile. Low risk, but also lower returns compared to stocks. It's ideal for balancing a portfolio. ETF 5. Dividend Growth ETF, for example, SCHD. Why it's great. This focuses on companies with a strong history of growing their dividends, which can provide a steady income stream. Fun fact. Reinvesting dividends can significantly boost your returns over time. Section 3. How to build an ETF portfolio. Example portfolio. 50% S&P 500 ETF, 20% Total Stock Market F, 20% International Stock ETF, 10% Bond ETF. Risk tolerance. Adjust these percentages based on your age, risk tolerance, and financial goals. For example, younger investors might lean more toward stocks, while retirees might prefer bonds. Pro tip. Use dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly to reduce the impact of market fluctuations. Section 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Chasing hot ETFs. Don't buy an ETF just because it's trending. Stick to your long-term plan, ignoring fees. Always check the expense ratio. A lower fee can save you thousands over time. Over-diversifying. Owning too many ETFs can lead to overlapping assets, which defeats the purpose of diversification. ETFs are one of the simplest and smartest ways to build long-term wealth. With low fees, diversification, and ease of use, they're perfect for beginners and seasoned investors alike. Which ETF from today's list are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to grow their wealth. Stay tuned for more investing tips, right here on SmartCoin Chronicles. See you next time.